Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C17 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. Right here, let's find the photo, or actually not photo, but the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. So let me pick this one. Now let's tap on this circle because you will not have the photo here, so let me quickly remove it. As you can see, we'll have this strange icon, so let's simply tap on it, and here you can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app, or select a photo and you will be transferred to the gallery. So it's up to you. I will prefer the gallery, so let me tap on it. Of course, give all the permissions, and let's find the photo we'd like to use and tap on it. Right here we can crop the photo with the usage of the gallery or Google Photos. It's basically really up to you. And here we can change the position of this highlighted square. We can, or we cannot actually, but we can change the size of it also. And basically, thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. So position it like you want to and tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied. You will be able to see it on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from the number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.